In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook using Canva, step by step. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas, guides, or stories into a digital book, Canva makes it incredibly simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design, format, and export a professional-looking ebook, all for free. First, open canva.com in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is completely free and takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, go to the search bar at the top and type ebook. Hit enter, and you'll see a wide range of professionally designed ebook templates ready to use. Browse through the collection until you find a layout that fits your vision, whether it's clean and minimal or bold and creative. When you find a design you like, click on it, then select Customize this template. This opens a design inside Canva's editor, where you'll do all your editing. Now comes the fun part, customizing your ebook. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your own content. Simply click on any text box to edit it and adjust the font, size, and color to match your theme or brand. Next, personalize the visuals. Canva gives you access to a huge library of images, icons, and illustrations, or you can upload your own graphics and photos. Keep your design consistent, use matching colors, readable fonts, and clean spacing throughout each page. Don't be afraid to experiment. Small tweaks in layout or background can make a big difference. Enhance your ebook with headers, section dividers, or image frames to make the content flow better. You can even duplicate pages for quick formatting or add new blank pages if your ebook is longer. Remember, simplicity and clarity are key for an enjoyable reading experience. When your ebook design is complete, click the preview button to see how it will look to readers. Double check your text alignment, spacing, and any typos. Once everything looks perfect, go to Share Download. Choose PDF, Standard, or Print, and click Download. Your ebook is now ready to share across platforms or upload to your website. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning ebook in Canva without needing any advanced design skills. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva guides for 2025.